Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that USD.AI token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, USD.AI is a decentralized finance protocol designed to provide financing for artificial intelligence infrastructure by allowing GPU hardware to be used as collateral. Solves AI compute financing. It addresses the capital intensive barrier for AI developers and GPU operators by providing instant permissionless loans, tokenize physical hardware. The core innovation let users tokenize their GPU assets on chain and through secure decentralized lending, governed by chip token. The chip token facilitates protocol governance and utility within the USD.AI ecosystem. USD.AI token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 2 billion. Chip token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So if I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.